Remove makeup and cleanse the skin.
Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Then shave the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Provide goggles for the recipient. Apply the gel evenly at a coin to thick layer. Select diode laser, tap normal mode. Settings, power, 30 to 70 J. Frequency, 2 to 5 Hz. Cooling level, default. Pulse width, set according to the selected frequency. Tap start button. The operator must wear goggles as well. Use stamping techniques across the target area, ensuring full contact between the treatment head and skin. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Scrape off the gel using the scraper and wipe away any residue with tissues. Remove the goggles and apply a mask. Remove the mask after 15 minutes and cleanse the face. Apply toner, followed by essence, cream, and sunscreen. Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Then shave the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply the gel evenly at a coin to thick layer. Provide goggles for the recipient. Select diode laser, tap normal mode. Settings, power, 30 to 70 J. Frequency, 2 to 5 Hz. Cooling level, default. Pulse width, set according to the selected frequency. Tap start button. The operator must wear goggles as well. Place the treatment head against the skin and glide it gently over the target area at a constant speed, repeating 5 to 8 times. Scrape off the gel using the scraper and wipe away any residue with tissues.